My name is Gino Duri. I am part of a build team of the new battery electric vehicle that's coming to Windsor. I've been with Stellantis for 30 years. The term build team refers to a team that has been put together to learn all the variables regarding either an upgrade on a vehicle, changes being made to an existing platform, or in this case, a completely new vehicle. I am one of the 3 team members that have been brought in for this. It is exciting. You're kind of like a pioneer. It's pretty big because it's a completely new vehicle. It's not another gas-powered vehicle. Being part of the battery team, it's quite involved. The battery goes from the front tires to the rear tires, and it goes from one side, driver's side, to the passenger side of the vehicle. Basically, we have a tray, and within this tray sits 13 modules. And these 13 modules are all connected with what we call bus bars. As you add bus bars, you basically ramp up the voltage. From there, go through an electrical test to make sure that everything works properly. From there, a top cover is put on and secured to the tray. After that, it goes to what we call a leak test. Once it passes both of those tests, it's ready for the vehicle. This is huge for Stellantis and it's huge for Windsor. It's bringing work to the community. It's bringing a new product, a new platform to the company. I think it's a win-win all the way around.